Kayo ko naman ako. Para maka-improve po yun. Isa gisikahan. Manday. Manday.
Tara na dito na taday.
Manday.
Tara na sa Manday. Pagkunin na mo ano.
Diba, namatay mapasel sa
Yang pataplin sa iyang okay right car. Yang sa itong ganina.
Wala kami yun.
Entrance na yun. Down sa siya.
Hoy.
Wallet, bitaw pa.
Okay, 1, 2. Isa pa,
Guys. Ayun, nagipakita ko na. Isa mo ka-posisyon ba? Pamilaw mo, B. Isa mo ka-posisyon. Isa lang mo ka-ato siya. Ay, nag-judge? Nag-judge? Wala. Madali ka. Yun.
Halo-halo, B.
Isa lang mo ka-ato. Makaibigan.
Kailangan alpiller po. Hindi ko ina. Yan na lang. Basta ka sa
Boy, dira herpes boy.
ha?
Dira herpes.
Mama melon pas. Which film siya ang melon. Bakit hindi na film?
Ana nagdala.
Millions of prizes to be given away. And of course, for the Bugna sa Pasko, our creative costume competition, we have a total of 11 contingents or participating entries. And of course, Parada sa Pasko, we have a total of 8 judging areas natin, and lalo-lalo din mo ipakita sa inyong number. Okay, because you will be judged based on your numbers. So we already have given you your numbers, so just show it in front of the judges for you to be identified properly. Tayo. Sa lahat din ng mga banda natin, ang egress ng outgoing band will be as soon as you are done with the 2-minute repertoire dito sa satellite performance natin and 3-minute performance during the grand showdown. You have only 1 minute yung incoming contingent to replace you on the competition arena. Okay? So that is as easy as ABC. So good luck to all of us. And please don't forget, we are live via, the Grand Showdown will be aired live via Blue World Studio. They are streaming this coverage live, and it will be aired via and the Davao City Tourism Operations Office. So wala ko scores of 40%.